You put the wind in my sails. From the moment I saw you, and every fear all disappeared when I looked in your eyes. You set a fire in my bones.
Babe, from the moment I met you, there's already a spark. Char. I remember that day when you said hi and heard your voice. I told myself that if this guy will reach out, I will entertain him. And yun na nga, after 1 week, you messaged me. You made an effort to find my number, and I was like, you are my answered prayer. I knew you were the one because with you, life feels lighter, warmer, and full of possibility. You've shown me what love looks like in its purest form, steady, patient, and unwavering.
Alive to this moment, our wildest dreams collide. Now frozen as we light up the sky. Alive to this moment, our wildest dreams collide. Time is now frozen as we light up the sky.
Walang yun ako message nimo nga ang kaminyoon dili mauli hangtod sa hangtod yun ni ang imuhang kaminyoon, pero kita nako nga nagminahalay yun mo ni Dong. Thanks.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you kayo nak.
You saw me at my worst and you never gave up on me. Hindi mo ako pinabayaan, nilift up mo ko hanggang sa narating ko kung ano yung narating natin ngayon, no? And syempre, it's no stopping there.
And for all of us, love would always change us. Love would always change us. Miko and Princess, sa araw-araw na magkasama kayo ngayon bilang mag-asawa sa harapan ng Diyos, huwag niyong kakalimutan na magligawan araw-araw. Hindi porket mag-asawa na kayo, kakalimutan niyo na manligaw. It's not about gender, but it's about the love for each other. Ligawan niyo ang isa't isa. You lift each other up.
It's a perfect story with you and me. We're like 1,000 voices, all in harmony. Oh, I gotta just say it. You're the melody in my head, the promise of to come, yeah. You're brighter than the sunlight, yeah. I'll never get enough. We are
hindi naman binibigay ni Lord yung taong gusto mo, kundi binibigay ni Lord yung taong para sa atin. And ikaw nga yun.
We are forever running through the stars till the end of time. We are forever. We are forever running through the stars till the end of time. We are forever. We are forever running through the stars till the end of time.
In your arms, I found a safe haven, and in your love, I found my home. I am yours, and in this moment and every moment to come. I love you, babe, so much, till death do us part.